Did you know that AI can analyze stock market trends in milliseconds, spotting patterns that human analysts might take days to find? The world of finance is undergoing a radical transformation, and AI-driven stock picks are at the forefront of this revolution. Traditional investment strategies are being turned on their head as machine learning algorithms step in to crunch the numbers and make predictions with uncanny accuracy. It's an exciting time for investors. And in this video, I'll show you how you can harness the power of AI to rake in profits of over $10,000 in just 60 days. For many of us, the idea of using artificial intelligence to invest in the stock market may seem like the stuff of science fiction. But the truth is, it's already happening, and savvy investors are cashing in big time. The beauty of AI-driven stock picks lies in their ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, spotting trends and patterns that would be impossible for human analysts to detect. This technology is no longer the exclusive domain of high-flying hedge funds and institutional investors. Today, anyone with an internet connection can tap into the power of AI to make informed investment decisions. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. How you can use AI-driven stock picks to supercharge your investment portfolio and build wealth faster. We're not just talking about making a quick buck here. We're talking about a fundamentally different approach to investing that can help you achieve long-term financial freedom. Market volatility, information overload, and fear of making the wrong investment decision. It's natural to feel nervous when your hard-earned cash is on the line, but fear can lead to impulsive decisions that can wipe out your profits in an instant. But what if you had a way to cut through the noise and make informed investment decisions with confidence? What if you had a system that could analyze the market data for you, identify the most promising stocks, and alert you to potential pitfalls before they happen? This is exactly what AI-driven stock picks can do. By harnessing the power of machine learning algorithms, you can take the guesswork out of investing and start building wealth with confidence. With AI on your side, you can say goodbye to the days of tedious research and analysis, poring over financial reports and market data in the hopes of finding that elusive winning stock. You can say goodbye to the fear of loss and the anxiety that comes with making high-stakes investment decisions. Instead, you can focus on what really matters, building wealth and achieving financial freedom. The best part is that this technology is available to anyone, regardless of their level of investing experience or expertise. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, AI-driven stock picks can help you achieve your financial goals faster. So, how do these algorithms work their magic? The answer lies in the way they analyze market data. Unlike human analysts, who may rely on intuition or personal biases to make investment decisions, AI algorithms are programmed to follow a strictly data-driven approach. They scour the market for patterns and trends, analyzing vast amounts of data in real time to identify the most promising stocks. They can spot correlations that would be impossible for humans to detect, and they can do it all in a matter of milliseconds. But here's the best part. These algorithms are continuously learning and improving over time. The more data they are fed, the more accurate their predictions become, and the better they are at identifying winning stocks. This is why AI-driven stock picks are so powerful. They take the emotion out of investing, providing a clear and objective analysis of the market that's based on hard data, not gut instinct or personal opinion. With AI on your side, you can stop worrying about making the wrong investment decision and start building wealth with confidence. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at a real-life example of someone who used AI-driven stock picks to achieve incredible results. In 2018, investor John made sure to diversify his portfolio, spreading his risk across a range of different assets and sectors. He also kept a close eye on market trends, using the insights provided by the AI algorithm to make adjustments to his portfolio as needed. The result was a winning combination that saw John's wealth grow exponentially over the course of the year. This is just one example of what's possible when you harness the power of AI-driven stock picks. By following in John's footsteps, you can achieve similar results and start building wealth faster. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? The key to success lies in leveraging the power of AI to make informed investment decisions. By using AI-driven stock picks, you can take the guesswork out of investing and start building wealth with confidence. You can stop worrying about market volatility and information overload and start focusing on what really matters, achieving financial freedom. Remember, this technology is available to anyone, regardless of their level of investing experience or expertise. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, AI-driven stock picks can help you achieve your financial goals faster. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of AI-driven stock picks today and discover the secret to making $10,000 in just 60 days. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you've got any experience with stock trading or AI, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll catch you in the next video where we'll be diving into advanced investment strategies and stock market tips. See you then.